Hi everyone, in this video I will describe the zeroth law of thermodynamics. Before stating the zeroth law of thermodynamics, what is thermal equilibrium? Thermal equilibrium. What does thermal equilibrium mean? Thermal equilibrium means the same temperature. Thermal equilibrium means the same temperature. Naturally, heat flows from higher temperature to lower temperature, T high to T low. This is heat flow. Heat flows from high temperature to low temperature. This is a natural process, spontaneous or natural process. Spontaneous means a process that occurs by nature, or a natural process. If you connect two bodies at two different temperatures, at 20 degrees centigrade and 30 degrees centigrade, the other body is 30 degrees centigrade. If you join these two bodies together, heat flows, this is body A and this one is body B. This is body B and this one is body A. And heat flows from B to A. Because the temperature of B is higher than the temperature of A. In the end, the two bodies will be at the same temperature. Finally, heat flows from B to A, and eventually, or in the end, the two bodies will gain the same temperature. The two bodies will gain the same temperature. In this case, we say the two bodies are in thermal equilibrium. The two bodies are in thermal equilibrium. That means they are at the same temperature. They are at the same temperature, and no net heat flow. If two bodies are at the same temperature or thermal equilibrium, there is no net heat flow. Now we can state the zeroth law of thermodynamics. The zeroth law of thermodynamics states that two bodies in thermal equilibrium, two separate bodies in thermal equilibrium to a third body are also in thermal equilibrium with each other. This is the zeroth law of thermodynamics. Let us illustrate with examples. Example, you have body C. This is body C, and this is body A, and this is body B. This is body C, and this one is body A, and this is body B. the zeroth law of thermodynamics states that if temperature of A and temperature of C are the same and temperature of B and temperature of C are the same, then temperature of A is the same as temperature of B. If this and C, A and C are at the same temperature and B and C are the same temperature, then A and B are also the same temperature. Therefore, A and B are also in thermal equilibrium even if they do not have direct contact. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the video if you like it. Goodbye.